Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, October 2nd. The Zen story for today is titled The Footprints That Changed. The rain had passed in the night, leaving the world soft and silver-edged. They stepped down into a shallow riverbed, the stones slick and the earth still spongy beneath their sandals. The monk walked carefully. The monkey bounded ahead, splashing with every step, until the monk paused. He turned to look behind him. A trail of footprints, deep and even, wound through the mud. Just one set. Strange, the monk said. What strange? The monkey asked, hopping back toward him. There's only one path behind us. The monkey squinted, then laughed. Your feet are just heavier. I'm walking beside you, see? The monk nodded, though slowly. They kept walking. The next day, the riverbed had dried some, but the ground still gave way with each step. Again, the monk looked behind them. Again, only his footprints. The monkey glanced down at its own feet, then at the ground, and then back again. They said nothing more about it. But that night, as the moon stretched shadows across the earth, the monkey sat by the fire and turned each foot slowly in the light, once, twice, as if searching for something that used to be there. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Perhaps close your eyes gently and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Whose presence have you taken for granted, only to wonder later if it had been real at all? Whose presence have you taken for granted, only to wonder later if it had been real? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, and mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Whose presence have you taken for granted, only to wonder later if it had been real at all? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.